Progress begins when we move, from dreaming to baking success. Dear Amelia Emberhart, I have spent years waiting, pondering, and planning. I thought I needed the perfect conditions before I could take action, but I have learned that the perfect moment never comes. The truth is, progress begins only when we move, when we take that first step. 2 weeks ago, I finally took that step. I started my mission with emberhart.com, not even sure of the business name, just the web domain name, and since then, I have created a web page from a position of understanding nothing about creating one and written and published 10 blog posts. Of course, I have not needed to do much research for those writings because I have material for 1,000 blog texts in my head, thanks to those years of pondering. So, ideas and words are easy to find. Yet, I have now taken the critical leap and actually written and published something. I do not have a clear picture of everything yet, far from it, but I am putting my ideas out there, one letter at a time. Maybe these blog posts will evolve into a book, a podcast, a course, or something else. Who knows? But the key is, I am no longer waiting. I am running with the ball, not letting perfectionism, or whatever it has been, hold me back. Action is the gateway, embrace the power of now. Amelia, I want you to know that action is the gateway to everything. It is through action that we learn, grow, and find our way. I truly believe that writing is thinking, and only by teaching can we truly master something. So, I will teach these ideas to you, through my actions, through every letter, and through every lesson I share. We are in this together, learning and growing every step of the way. As the great wisdom from the magic of thinking big, a book by David Schwartz we began to discuss, says, get the action habit. Be an activationist. Be someone who does things. Be a doer, not a don'ter. Do not wait for the perfect moment, because it does not exist. Obstacles and difficulties will always arise, and that is okay. We face them as they come. Ideas alone will not bring success, action is the key. Fear is natural, but action cures it. When you do what you fear, fear disappears. So, Amelia, take that first step, even if you do not have everything figured out. Start moving. It is vital not to wait for the Spirit to move us. We have to stop thinking in terms of tomorrow or next week. Those words often just mean never. Instead, think in terms of right now. So, let us get down to business. Let us not waste time waiting. Let us pick up the ball and run with it. Be the person who makes things happen. You have the ability, the ambition, and the courage to do so. 7 steps to launching your cookie business, from passion to action. You love cooking and baking. You talked about how fun it would be to sell cookies at some event last Christmas. What if you wanted to start a cookie business, or just a hobby, and actually get things rolling right now? Here are 7 actions you could take to get started. Find and perfect a recipe. Start with a cookie recipe you love or want to try. Bake and taste test to perfect it. Ask family and friends for feedback to improve the recipe further. Research the market, look at other cookie businesses. What kinds of cookies are they selling? How much are they charging? What makes their cookies special? What story are they telling? This helps you see what is already out there and identify a unique angle for your cookies. Do a simple cost and pricing analysis, calculate how much it costs to make a batch of cookies. This includes ingredients, packaging, and any other supplies. Then, decide on a price that covers costs and allows for some profit. Start simple, but make sure to charge enough to make it worthwhile. Create your brand, think about what makes your cookies special. Come up with a name for your business, design a simple logo, and think about the story behind the cookies. A strong brand can make your cookies memorable and give you an edge in the market. Set up an easy website or contact page, create a simple web page or contact page where people can learn more about the cookies. Even a simple, clear way for customers to reach you will build confidence. Promote your cookies, spread the word by talking to people, creating flyers, or sharing through local community events. Offer discounts to first customers or encourage them to share with friends and family to build awareness. Sell at local events or pop-up markets. Once ready, sell cookies at a local market, pop-up shop, or even a family gathering. This is a great way to practice handling orders, talking to customers, and building confidence. By taking these actions, Amelia, you would already be making your cookie business happen. The key is not waiting for the perfect moment but creating that moment yourself, one step at a time. Even if you never make a single sale, starting this cookie venture would still teach you incredibly valuable skills. You would learn how to plan and execute a project, how to become resilient in the face of challenges, and how to test ideas to see what works. You would gain an understanding of marketing, sales, and communication as you promote your cookies to family, friends, and even strangers. You would also learn the importance of time management and organization as you juggle baking, selling, and promoting your cookies. You might even find out that you do not want to establish anything related to cookies and baking. Even that would be a win, would it not? These skills are not only useful for your cookie hobby but are transferable to countless future endeavors. Whether you want to start a business, manage a team, or pursue a creative passion, the ability to take action and learn from doing is invaluable. Decision-making, confidence, adaptability, and problem-solving are all key abilities that will support you in any activity you choose. By starting something, anything, you are building a foundation that will help you succeed in whatever you pursue. This is your moment. Take command and show us the path.